Tuesday, September 20th, 2022. I just took a couple of wrenches to take all this old washing machine apart. We got it for free. Took everything off it. And I removed the motor because I needed a motor to get the Wringer washer working. So I took the motor off. It took me quite a while to figure out the wiring pattern of it. But out here in the desert, I got it rigged up so the Wringer washer works. And there's the washing machine motor. It's mounted on some OSB, it ain't the strongest. But I just wanted to be sure it was going to work, and sure, it's going great. Sure can't stop it. That's pretty powerful. It's all dirty right now, I gotta clean it. And I got the other section that goes on here for the Wringer. So we're up and running with an old Wringer washer.